Welcome to Rise and Restore with Hassan Mir. Today's story is about the Moammar Rana, a versatile actor of Pakistani film industry. Please watch till end, and if this inspire you, hit like, share, comment, and subscribe my channel.
In the heart of Lahore's bustling film scene and cricketing legacy, a young boy emerged with dreams bigger than the screen. That boy was Moammar Rana, born on February 26th, 1974 in Lahore, Pakistan. His family wasn't from the film industry. They were from the world of cricket. His father, Shafkat Rana, had played Test cricket for Pakistan, and uncles and cousins were connected to the sport. Yet, Moammar did not simply follow the path laid out for him. He chose something different, something creative, cinema. And in that choice lies the first lesson of this story. You don't always have to follow the family path. You can blaze your own trail. Growing up in Lahore, young Moammar saw both the glories of sport and the glitter of film. But the lure of acting called to him. Despite his family's sports background, Moammar leaned into performing that he entered the Pakistani film industry in the mid-1990s. His debut film role is listed as Cutie and Code Dale Dana, 1996. According to some sources, though what's important here, early beginnings are rarely perfect. They're often tentative, but they matter. They set the tone. Moammar's decision to step into acting despite strong, alternative expectations shows boldness and self-belief. Moammar didn't just settle for being another actor. He aimed high. Early in his career, he delivered significant hits. For example, his film Korean, 1998, is cited as one of the highest-grossing Pakistani Punjabi films. Also, films like Diwan Tir Pyar Ko are credited with elevating his status. From these successes emerges another lesson. When you deliver value, in this case strong performances, you carve your space. Moammar didn't just ride on a name. He earned his spot through films that resonated. A key part of Moammar's journey is his versatility. He worked both in Urdu and Punjabi cinema, embraced different genres, and later transitioned into television and direction, but he didn't refuse challenge. He sought growth. In a creative industry, the ability to adapt and evolve matters a lot. This is your takeaway. Don't stay comfortable in one role. Stretch, learn, expand. No life of significance is free of trials. Moammar Rana's story includes industry shifts, competition, evolving audience tastes, and the demands of sustaining relevance. While specific, detailed accounts of his struggles are less publicized, the very fact of a long film career through changing times implies resilience. When the film industry undergoes upheaval, many stars fade. But Moammar kept moving, choosing roles, exploring new formats, remaining visible. That speaks of mindset. Keep going when many others stop. Beyond the cinema lights, Moammar's life also anchors in family. According to his biography, his wife is Manaz Pervez, and they have 2 daughters. From this, we see the importance of balance. Fame can dazzle, but grounding in relationships keeps us human. Also, legacy isn't just about movies. It's about the life we live behind the screen. What does Moammar Rana's life teach us? Especially if you're chasing your own dreams. Start even if you're outside the conventional path. Coming from a sports family, Moammar chose acting. Build your identity through work. Hits like Korean didn't happen by accident. Stay versatile and keep growing. Don't get boxed in one role or one skill. Endure the hard times. Industries change, success fluctuates. Your mindset must stay strong. Value life off-screen. Your character, your relationships matter. 2.so whether you're a creator, an entrepreneur, a student, or someone waiting for the right moment. Take heart. The story of Moammar Rana is proof. You can create your own narrative. Today, When you look back at Pakistani cinema of the 90s and 2000s, you see Moammar Rana's name among those who carried it forward. His journey from Lahore to stardom and beyond is not just about acting, but about ambition, adaptability, resilience, and purpose. That SO, if you're listening now, remember, your story matters. Your choice matters. Your effort matters. Let Moammar's journey remind you, you can rise, you can endure, you can restore your dream.
If this story motivated you, inspired you, or made you pause and reflect, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's rise and restore with Hassan Mir.